Hi guys, Willie here from WB Trading, and in today's video I'm going to share an IG hack for getting your hands on quite a lot of extra lower time frame pricing data. So if you're somebody who does trade using lower time frames like many of us do, and you've struggled with getting your hands on enough, let's say 5-minute data in the past, this video is definitely for you. Stay tuned. Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So just before we dive in today, let me ask you all a very quick question. Have you ever been held back by your broker not providing enough chart data, especially lower time frame chart data? Pause this video for just a very quick second and let me know in the comments section below the video if you would. Let me know what's held you back, perhaps which broker you're using, which time frame you're looking at, and so on and so forth. I'd be really interested to know if you face the issue that we'll actually be solving together in today's video. Again, pause the video for just a quick second right now and let me know your experiences in the comment section. Okay, so with that done, let's carry on. So a client of ours mentioned to me earlier today that he was struggling to find enough 5-minute chart data to actually backtest strategy ideas. And although I'm not exactly sure which broker that he was using, it's something that has been brought to my attention a few times now in the past. Obviously, when you're testing sources of Hedge, you're building backtest data on patterns, on occurrences, building statistics that you found or you're researching. You're going to need enough chart data, aren't you? Ideally, at least one full year of charting data to accurately understand whether it's worth pursuing the strategy or the edge that you're researching, right? So if you only have, let's say, 3 or 6 months of charting data, it's just not enough, is it? Now, on that subject, I have to recommend the broker that I use myself, that being IG, because not only do they offer 1 entire year of 5-minute chart data for free, but they've actually partnered with a charting provider called Pro Realtime to offer a charting package for free with the use of a live account. Now, within Pro Realtime software, you're actually provided with just above 2 entire years of 5-minute chart data at no cost whatsoever, which is pretty fantastic. And if you'd like to, I believe that by paying for their premium charting package, you can get up to 500,000 candlesticks of data across those lower time frames, to which, again, it's brilliant. And by the way, if you do enjoy today's video and you learn something or this helps, it would be really great if you take just a quick second to hit that thumbs up button for me. If you would, that'd really help me, if that's okay with you. Again, hit the thumbs up button, and again, I really do appreciate that. So back to the video, and at this stage I just need to add that, again, Pro Realtime software is only free with the use of a live IG account, and you do have to be actively trading. So for example, if you have a live account but you've never traded, you've never used it, and it's just sat there in the background unused, please think twice before actually enabling Pro Realtime inside your IG dashboard, because you will be charged. I'm not sure what the fee is. I think it's roughly £45 per month, so it's nothing jaw-dropping by any means, but again, I just want to remind you of that. If, however, like me, you trade frequently, then Pro Realtime will again be completely free. It's available at no cost, and you'll have access to what is, if I remember correctly, 12, 24, I think it's about 26 months of 5-minute chart data, again, completely free. So it's a great tool, a great resource there. So for anyone who isn't an IG user and who'd like to begin using the broker, I'm going to pop a sign up link in the video description that you can click, and it will take you straight to the create an account page of the website. And when it comes to 5-minute chart data, the just above 2 years that you'll have access to for free inside Pro Realtime should be more than enough for establishing strategy viability, properly testing any sources of edge, building any statistics, testing any patterns that you're looking at, and so on. Now, one thing I think it's really important to mention, to be completely transparent about, is that I do not work for IG. I'm not a an IG partner, I'm not an IG affiliate. And for anyone who does open an account via the below link that I've shared, I'm also not being compensated either. So for those of you who already use IG, you'll know this already, but via the refer a friend link that I've added to the description, they pay you £100 for the first 5 people that you refer, and nothing more past that. And you can also confirm that with IG yourself if you'd like to. It lays that out on their website. I just wanted to add that in there for transparency purposes, because this certainly isn't some kind of sales video or affiliates video. Again, the purpose of this video is to make sure that you're aware that you can actually get your hands on quite a lot of 5-minute chart data completely free by using these resources. So there you go. If you are a trader who's struggled with accessing 5-minute chart data in the past, that's the problem hopefully solved for you. Again, you can access 1 entire year of 5-minute chart data for free within IG, and you can also access just above 2 entire years of 5-minute chart data for free within Pro Realtime too. And for anybody wondering what I consider a minimum viable data set, for me personally, I want to see at least 1 entire year of trades taken at a bare minimum, with more obviously being much more helpful. The more the better. Anyway, I hope that helps. Hopefully that's triggered some inspiration. For those of you who were held back by only having, let's say, 3 months, 6 months of 5-minute chart data, hopefully that's the problem solved. That aside, I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with Edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks, guys.